What's up, guys? In my never-ending quest to video pretty much everything that I do and fix lately, this is a Visio E-Series 50-inch TV that got hit by lightning. My house got hit by lightning a while ago and killed it. I did a quick test. If I plug this in, plug it in. Of course, you gotta take the back panel off. It's just a bunch of screws. Back panel comes off real easy. And turn this baby on. The volts, I can get, if I go on the ground screw here, I can get my voltage. Right there, 120. So I'm getting the voltage in. So then I went and tested the this fuse right here. I'm getting voltage through the fuse. So then I went up here and tested this. This is your output. Come on. It's your output to your where does that go? To your control board. And it says up here, if you look on your board, it says 12 volt, 12 volt, 12 volt, and 5 volt, and that's pointing down here. So I should be able to come over here and test these two pins, and I get 0 volts. 0 volts and 0 volts. So I figured that this board was bad. So I was gonna start diagnosing all the different parts, but I went on eBay and for like $7 got this board. So it was tested, it was out of a brand new unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this one in. So basically it's just unplug it, of course. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and pop out these screws. There's just a couple screws holding this board down. That goes to your LED control board, I think. Two more screws. Right there. Alright, so out with that board. And I'm just going to put one screw on the ground lugs. And we'll plug this back in. Put that in right there. And we'll go ahead and put the power up. And then this is the power button over here. Okay, so we can see it's lighted up. And so I'll go ahead and put a couple more screws in here. And I think I'll have a TV again. So it was like $7. It was actually more to ship it. I think it was like $8 to ship it. And it wasn't even worth trying to diagnose what diodes or what capacitors went bad for that cheap of a price. This guy right here. You helping out there, kitty cat? Alright, I lost the screw. How did I lose the screw? Alright, so let's stand this up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and hook the on-off button back together. Here you gotta, remember when you're taking the back panel off, that there's this little connection, so don't just yank the cover off. Lift the cover off and undo that little connector. Hey! My TV's back. So I'm gonna assume that it works. It was doing absolutely nothing before. So I'll have to reprogram it, I'm sure. But that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drop this back panel back down. Lift everything up. So this just kind of snaps back down, and then there's a series of screws all around the perimeter. There's a few in here, a couple here, a couple there. Maybe about 20 screws all together. So just screw it back together and you're good to go. Hope that helped you out, and for less than 20 bucks I got my TV back. Peace out. Oh yeah, there it is. All back together. Glad to have a TV back, I guess, so I can rot my brain. Anyways guys, peace out. Good luck on your TV.